In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate contacts in Monday.com. Before we begin, it's important to know that Monday.com does not currently have a built-in merge contacts feature like some other CRM platforms. So instead of clicking one button to merge duplicates, the process is done manually. That means you'll choose which record you want to keep, review the duplicated details, update any missing information, and then remove the extra record if needed. First, log into your Monday.com account and open your CRM workspace. In this example, we'll be working inside the leads board, but this same method can also be used for contacts and accounts. The overall idea is exactly the same no matter which board you're cleaning up. Once you're in the correct board, add a filter. This helps narrow down your list so you can quickly find the duplicate entry you want to review. Using filters is especially useful if you have a large database and don't want to scroll through every record manually. Next, use the email address to search for the duplicated lead, contact, or account. Email is usually the easiest identifier because duplicate records often share the same or very similar contact information. When you find the matching record, click into that contact to open the details. From here, you can decide how you want to handle the duplicate. You may choose to edit the full contact information, correct only the duplicated field, or remove the extra contact entirely. The best option depends on which record is more complete and which one you want to keep as the primary version. In this example, the email address is the field being edited. If one contact has the correct information and the other contains an outdated or duplicated version, simply update the field so your records stay clean and accurate. Take a moment to compare carefully before making changes so you don't accidentally delete useful information. If you've already confirmed that one of the records is unnecessary, you can also click the checkbox beside that contact. This is the record selection step before removal. Then, click Delete if you need to remove the duplicated contact. Make sure you're deleting only the extra record and keeping the one with the most complete and correct details. That way, your CRM stays organized and your team avoids confusion later. And that's how you manage duplicate contacts in Monday.com manually. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.